Hey there, gadget junkies! Welcome back to another episode of Circuit Breakers. In this video, we will explore a range of advanced tools designed for construction and maintenance, showcasing innovations that are transforming the industry. From cutting-edge machinery to smart technology, these tools not only enhance productivity, but also prioritize safety on the job site. We'll delve into how these innovations streamline various tasks, making them more efficient and effective. Join us as we highlight the significance of these tools in modern construction, ensuring that both workers and projects benefit from the latest advancements. Number 1. GreenLe Level. The GreenLe L107 level is designed for precise measurements, featuring high-visibility spirit vials that ensure accurate readings in any lighting condition. Its strategically placed magnets allow for easy attachment to metal surfaces, enhancing usability and convenience during tasks. The level can be set to various angles, making it versatile for a wide range of applications, from electrical installations to general construction. The GreenLe L107 is constructed with quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Makita TopHandle Chainsaw. Introducing the Makita DU 254Z chainsaw, a powerful tool designed for efficiency and convenience. Its lightweight design and cordless functionality make it easy to handle, especially in challenging environments like high-altitude work. This chainsaw is capable of achieving numerous cuts on a single charge, ensuring that users can complete their tasks without frequent interruptions. The Makita DU 254Z offers excellent value for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, making it an ideal choice for those seeking reliability and performance in their cutting tasks. Number 3. Makita Screwdriver. The Makita DFS 452ZX2 screwdriver is equipped with a powerful brushless motor, delivering impressive speed capabilities for efficient fastening tasks. This advanced motor technology not only enhances performance, but also extends the tool's lifespan. Designed for convenience, the DFS 452 allows for one-handed operation, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. With exceptional battery life, this screwdriver ensures prolonged use without frequent recharging. The Makita DFS 452ZX2 is highly useful for a variety of tasks, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 4. Johnny's Paper Pot Transplanter. The Paper Pot system is an innovative solution designed to enhance the efficiency of planting seedlings. This system simplifies the planting process, allowing for easy insertion and optimal spacing of seedlings, which promotes healthy growth. Its lightweight and portable design make it convenient for gardeners to transport and use in various locations, whether in small backyards or larger plots. The Paper Pot system offers excellent value for gardeners, streamlining the planting process while ensuring a successful and productive gardening experience. Number 5. Rail pulling shoes and switchblade lining device. Rail pulling shoes and switchblade lining devices are essential tools in railroad work, significantly enhancing efficiency and safety during maintenance tasks. Rail pulling shoes are designed to withstand heavy weights while providing the necessary functionality to effectively pull and align rails, ensuring proper track installation. Meanwhile, switchblade lining devices incorporate safety features that prevent accidental movement, allowing workers to adjust track switches securely. The significance of these tools cannot be overstated, as they play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and safety of railroad operations. Number 6. Roof Pitch Hopper. Pitch hopper steps are specifically designed to provide secure footing on steep roofs, enhancing safety for workers during roofing tasks. Their innovative design features a wide base and non-slip surface, ensuring stability even on challenging angles. With a robust weight capacity, these steps can support multiple users and equipment, making them ideal for various roofing projects. Additionally, their lightweight and portable nature allows for easy transport and setup. Pitch hopper steps are a necessary investment for any roofing professional seeking efficiency and safety on the job. Number 7. Amprobe Tick 300 Pro high voltage detector. Introducing the TEC 300 Pro, a cutting-edge tool designed for precise voltage detection across a wide voltage range. This device features advanced detection capabilities, allowing electricians to quickly identify live wires and potential hazards with ease. Built for durability, the TEC 300 Pro is constructed to withstand tough job site conditions, ensuring reliable performance over time. Safety features, such as non-contact voltage detection, enhance user protection. This tool is essential for electricians, providing the accuracy and reliability needed for safe electrical work. Number 8. CanAm AccuJust Corner Finishes. CanAm AccuJust Corner Finishes feature a patented design specifically engineered for handling angles with precision and ease. This innovative design optimizes the seamless blending of edges, ensuring a flawless finish that enhances the overall aesthetic of any project. The corner finishes are crafted to provide a professional look while simplifying the installation process. CanAm also offers a luxury version that elevates the design further, making it an excellent choice for those seeking both functionality and elegance in their finishing touches. Number 9. Makita Sprayer. Makita sprayers are designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a shoulder-carrying design that enhances portability and ease of use during extended tasks. These sprayers come equipped with an adjustable nozzle, allowing users to customize the spray pattern for various applications, while the generous tank capacity ensures fewer refills, maximizing efficiency. With impressive battery life, Makita sprayers are well suited for long tasks, making them ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. They offer excellent value for anyone seeking reliable and effective spraying solutions. Number 10. Valmax Strap Wrench Set. Introducing the Valmax Strap Wrenches, versatile tools designed for a variety of applications, including plumbing and auto maintenance. These wrenches feature an impressive grip diameter, accommodating a wide range of sizes, while their torque specifications ensure secure handling without damaging surfaces. The flexible strap design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making them ideal for challenging tasks. Valmax strap wrenches also prioritize user comfort, featuring ergonomic handles that reduce strain during extended use, making them a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 11. BIHY TWS 19 Trade Tile Washing Set. The TWS 19 tile washing set is expertly designed for effective cleaning and grouting, ensuring tiles maintain their pristine appearance. Its innovative design includes specialized brushes and tools that tackle dirt and grime with ease, making the cleaning process efficient. A standout feature is the convenient wheeled bucket, which allows for easy transport across job sites, reducing strain on users. The TWS 19 set offers exceptional value for tile maintenance, making it an essential investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking quality results. Number 12. Raymondi Tyler Pad. Introducing the Raymondi Tyler Pad, an essential tool designed specifically for tilers, offering unparalleled comfort and support during tiling tasks. This innovative pad alleviates pressure on the knees and back, allowing for extended periods of work without discomfort. With a robust weight capacity and flexible legs, it adapts to various surfaces and positions, ensuring stability and ease of use. The Raymondi Tyler Pad is a necessary investment for any tiling project, enhancing productivity and promoting better posture for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 13. Growered Wire Stripper. Classic wire strippers are essential tools designed for efficiently removing insulation from electrical wires. They accommodate a wide diameter range, allowing users to handle various wire sizes with ease, while the adjustable cutting depth ensures precise stripping without damaging the conductor. Constructed from durable metal, these strippers are built to withstand frequent use, making them a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Classic wire strippers offer excellent value, ensuring they are suitable for anyone needing a dependable tool for electrical projects. Number 14. ThingAim Jigscribing Tool. The ThingAim Jig tool is an innovative solution designed for precision work, featuring the ability to create grooves that ensure accurate measurements every time. Its unique design allows users to achieve consistent results across various applications, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. This versatile tool can handle a wide range of materials, including wood, plastic and metal, catering to diverse workshop needs. The ThingAim jig is an essential tool for both hobbyists and professionals, enhancing efficiency and accuracy in workshops. Number 15. Big Mouth Pliers. Introducing the PJ100 Pliers, a versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications from gripping and twisting to cutting. Its innovative design enhances functionality, allowing users to tackle various tasks with ease. One of the standout features is its ability to operate smoothly with one hand, making it convenient for users who need to multitask. The PJ100 pliers are ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, providing reliability and efficiency for any project requiring precision and control. Number 16. Rigid PTC 400. The Rigid PTC 400 electric pipe cutter is designed with a compact form factor, making it easy to maneuver and use in tight spaces for cutting pipes. This powerful tool can handle a maximum diameter of up to 4 inches and wall thicknesses of 0.5 inches, ensuring versatility for various plumbing tasks. The PTC 400 is an excellent choice for professionals seeking efficiency and reliability in their work. Its user-friendly design and robust capabilities make it an essential addition to any contractor's toolkit. Number 17. KAIDA Hacksaw. Introducing the compact hacksaw from KAIDA, a tool specifically designed for versatility in tight spaces. Its small size allows users to maneuver easily in confined areas, making it ideal for various projects. This hacksaw excels in cutting capabilities, effectively handling different materials such as metal, plastic, and wood with precision. Additionally, its ergonomic design ensures user comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue and enhancing control. The KAIDA Compact hacksaw is a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and comfort in their cutting tasks. How are you holding up? If you are finding this video helpful, subscribe to our channel, drop us a like to support the channel to create more content just like this one. With that out of the way, let's carry on. Number 18. Verna Work Platform. The Verna AP 2030L work platform is a highly versatile tool designed to meet the needs of various tasks, featuring an impressive weight capacity that supports multiple users and equipment. Its adjustable height feature allows for customization, making it suitable for different projects, whether indoors or outdoors. The platform is lightweight, ensuring ease of transport and quick setup, which is essential for contractors on the go. The Verna AP 2030L offers exceptional value, enhancing productivity and safety on job sites. Number 19. BIHY Vibration Tile Beater. The Vibration Tile Beater is an innovative tool designed to streamline tile installation, featuring the ability to spread adhesive evenly while effectively lifting tiles into place. Its powerful battery ensures consistent performance, allowing for extended use without interruptions, making it ideal for both small and large tiling projects. With specifications that support high efficiency, this tool significantly reduces manual labor and enhances precision. The Vibration Tile Beater is a necessary investment for any tiling project, ensuring professional results and saving valuable time. Number 20. Bandit Center Punch Tool. Introducing the Bandit T369 Center Punch Tool, an essential instrument for achieving precise drill bit positioning. This tool ensures that drill bits are accurately aligned, preventing wandering and ensuring clean, accurate holes. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Bandit T369 is built for durability, making it a reliable choice for demanding construction environments. It offers exceptional value for construction professionals who require accuracy and efficiency in their work. Investing in the Bandit T369 not only enhances drilling precision, but also contributes to overall project success. Number 21. Roll Profi Mini Lift. The Roll Profi Mini Lift system is a revolutionary tool designed for handling cable drums, boasting an impressive weight capacity that ensures safe and efficient lifting, One of its key advantages is the ease of setup, requiring no electricity, which allows construction crews to operate it anywhere on the job site. By simplifying the workflow, this system reduces manual labour and minimises the risk of injury, enhancing overall productivity. While the initial investment cost is reasonable, the long-term benefits include increased efficiency and reduced labour costs, making it a smart choice for any project. Number 22. Tech Inner Diameter Measuring Gauge. The RF096HH laser measuring gauge is an essential tool for precise pipe measurements, offering exceptional accuracy across a wide range of diameters. Its advanced technology allows users to measure various pipe sizes effortlessly, ensuring reliable results every time. One of its standout features is the convenience of comparing measurements with tolerances, enabling users to quickly assess compliance with specifications. This tool is particularly beneficial for professionals in plumbing, HVAC and construction, providing them with the accuracy and efficiency needed for successful project execution. Number 23. AM Aromax Drill Pen. Introducing AM Aromax Drill Pen, a versatile tool designed for a wide range of projects. This compact drill boasts adjustable speed settings, allowing users to tailor performance for different tasks, while features like backlighting and a clear display enhance usability in intricate work. Ideal for jewellery making and miniature crafting, the SDS Ultra excels in precision applications. Its impressive battery life ensures extended use without interruptions, and its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry, making it a perfect companion for creative endeavours. Number 24. Homax Sprayer. The Homax Sprayer offers significant advantages for drywall tasks, primarily due to its speed and lightweight design, which surpass traditional tools. This system allows users to complete projects more quickly, making it ideal for medium-scale renovations and repairs. Its efficiency not only saves time, but also reduces labour costs, enhancing overall project value. By streamlining the application process, the HX system minimises material waste and ensures a professional finish, making it a smart investment for construction projects looking to optimise both performance and budget. Number 25. Drilllease. The Drilllease is a game changer for railroad maintenance crews, featuring a cordless design that significantly enhances usability and efficiency. This allows workers to maneuver freely without being tethered to a power source, making tasks quicker and more convenient. Experienced users will appreciate its impressive speed and ease of operation, enabling them to complete jobs with minimal effort. Additionally, the lightweight and portable nature of the Drilllease ensures that crews can easily transport it to various on-site locations, streamlining their workflow and productivity. In this video, we highlighted the significance of advanced tools in enhancing both efficiency and safety across various tasks. These innovative tools streamline workflows, reduce manual labour, and ensure precision, making them essential for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share the video with others who may benefit. Additionally, feel free to explore related content on our channel for more insights and tips on utilizing these advanced tools effectively. See you in the future on another episode of Circuit Breakers.